Before you can use the Esso app at an Esso-branded service station, there are a few simple things you need to do. So here we go. Step 1. You'll need a smartphone and your email address. Open the app, enter your name and email address, and choose a password. You'll only need your password if you log out of the app, but it's worth making a note of it somewhere safe, just in case. Step 2. You'll need to choose your preferred payment method. We offer both Apple Pay or PayPal, as well as your credit or debit card. We'll ask you to choose the maximum amount you're likely to fill up. When you go to fill up, we'll reserve this amount in your account until you've finished fueling. If you would like to collect Nectar points with your purchases, you'll also need your Nectar card to hand. If you don't have a Nectar card, don't worry. You can sign up within the app. The app will then open your camera to scan the back of your Nectar card. If you're having trouble, you can always enter the account number yourself. Once scanned, it will be securely stored in the app, so you won't need to have it with you when you fill up. While you're doing this, we'll have sent you an email. And step 3. Open the email and click the link to verify your details, just so we can send your receipts to the right place, and you'll be ready to go. Once the Esso app is up and running, you can use it to find your nearest Esso station, view your receipts, and make changes to your account details. And if you have any questions, click on the Help button. Now all that's left is for you to try it yourself. It's fueling at your fingertips.